At a busy construction site, a concrete mixer truck was carefully offloading wet cement near the edge of a ditch while a worker stood behind it, guiding the driver into position. Everything appeared stable at first, with the crew focused on completing the pour safely, but without warning, the ground beneath them suddenly gave way. The edge collapsed under the weight of the heavy truck, causing both the vehicle and the worker behind it to slide into the ditch. Workers nearby rushed toward the scene as dust and debris filled the air, turning a routine construction task into a dangerous accident within seconds. Inside a warehouse, workers were moving a massive steel coil through the facility when the heavy load suddenly lost balance. Within seconds, the coil tipped over and came crashing down across the floor, narrowly missing a nearby worker who jumped out of the way just in time, saving his life. Inside a busy factory, a worker was operating alongside automated machinery with a robotic arm. Assembling in production was moving smoothly, then suddenly, a robotic arm malfunctioned during production. In a matter of seconds, the powerful machine moved unexpectedly, trapping a nearby worker and crushing him against the surface. At an industrial worksite, a worker was attempting to repair a pressurized line when the situation suddenly turned dangerous. Without warning, the line burst open, blasting high-pressure water directly into his face and knocking him several meters backward. Nearby workers were stunned as the powerful spray continued erupting from the damaged pipe. Despite the force of the impact, the worker managed to get back up and cautiously return toward the line to help shut the situation down and prevent further damage. The incident was later controlled. Inside a production facility, a worker was using a packaging machine during a routine shift when the material suddenly caught onto his arm and wrapped it with the material. As he struggled to free himself, the machine continued running, trapping him further and creating panic among nearby workers. A co-worker quickly noticed the emergency and rushed over to help, immediately moving to stop the machine.